The Taliban warned on Monday there would be consequences if the United States of America and its allies extended their military presence in Afghanistan beyond next week, reports AFP. Meanwhile, chaos and confusion continued in Kabul airport as tens of thousands of people were desperate to flee. To oversee a chaotic airlift of foreigners and Afghans desperate to escape the return of the hardline Islamic regime, thousands of troops have poured back into Afghanistan and pressure is going on Washington to extend an August 31 withdrawal deadline. But the Taliban Monday showed no willingness to compromise, with spokesman Suhail Shaheen telling Sky News that staying beyond the agreed deadline would be extending occupation. If the US or UK were to seek additional time to continue evacuations, the answer is no. There would be consequences, he said. Two Taliban sources, meanwhile, told AFP the group would not announce the makeup of its government or cabinet until the last US soldier has left the country. The rush to leave Kabul has sparked harrowing scenes and killed at least 8 people, some crushed to death, and at least one person after falling off a plane. The German Defense Ministry said Monday an Afghan man was killed and 3 others injured in a dawn firefight between local guards and unknown assailants. German and American troops participated in a further exchange of fire, it said in a statement. The Taliban, infamous for an ultra-strict interpretation of Sharia law during their initial 1996 to 2001 rule, have repeatedly claimed to be different this time and declared an amnesty for government forces and officials. But an intelligence document for the United Nations said terrorists were going door to door hunting former government officials and those who worked with US and NATO forces. President Joe Biden has insisted he wants to end the US military presence and airlifts by the end of the month. But with the European Union and Britain saying it would be impossible to get everyone out by then, Biden is under pressure to extend the deadline. Germany said on Monday it was in talks with NATO allies and the Taliban to keep Kabul airport open for evacuations beyond August 31, while France voiced concern over the deadline, saying additional time is needed to complete ongoing operations. Speaking at the White House on Sunday, Biden said negotiations were underway to explore the possibility of extending the deadline. He also acknowledged the tragic scenes at the airport, which have included babies and children being passed to soldiers over razor fire fences and men clinging to the outside of departing planes. He said, however, they were part of the cost of departure. There is no way to evacuate this many people without pain and loss and heartbreaking images, you see, he said. The Pentagon on Monday said about 16,000 people were evacuated over the past 24 hours from Kabul airport, taking to 37,000, the number relocated since the intense airlift operation started on August 14. News Desk, Kaumudi English.